Hello guys, Global Studio here today for your Solidworks tips and tricks. In this video we will make this helical path. Anyway, for this helix is not used. This is very different method as compared to helical models. Please watch this video fully so that you will know the full trick used in this video. Without any delay, let's start this video. Go to File, take New and take Part. Take top plane and create a sketch. One triangle you have to create like this. One side should be perpendicular and this dimension give it around 500. This one give 75. Before creating this triangle, we have to create a rectangular block. Just trim this inclined line and after that go to extrude it to 20 mm. Then go to fillets, just give the fillet value, keep it around 10 mm. Then fillet give here also and this side also and just click OK. After that take this face and go to sketch, create a sketch. We have to cut this exact half like this. Create a sketch like this, then go to extruded cut, just cut through all. After this go to sketch on that face, go to normal plane. After that create a sketch like this, then give the dimension 5 mm. Then go to features, go to curves, then take the split line option and check the faces. Select all these faces, then give OK. Now we split one portion like that. 3 portions we have to do in this space. Just click that face, select that face and create the sketch. Just create line from here to here. After that give the dimension 23.4. Go to features, go to curves, split line option, select the faces and click OK. Select the face again, go to sketch, create the line from here to here. After that give the dimension, I am giving around 23.2. After that go to curves again and split the features and give OK. After this just type in the right side top corner, you have to type flex. If it is difficult for you, then go to insert and after that go to features and then select flex. Then just select this and check this bending and give the dimension 540. We made it 540 now. And after that make this angle 0. Now this dimension keep it 40. This dimension we have to make it -5 and this one -180 and after that we have to make this angle 352. As you can see guys, here we made the shape. Now just click OK. Yes, our helix path is created now. Now just type move and select this move or copy bodies and select the entire body, and then there is two options available. One is translate and one is rotate. Just click to this rotate and then make this angle 90 degree and click OK. This rotation is very helpful for rendering. Our helical path is created now. Now we have to add some colors here. Just select high gloss. Any colors you can add, but for each steps different colors you have to add. For different steps you have to add different colors. I am adding red here, then again red here. For the first step it is over. Then add blue here. Blue is added here now. Again go to green. Green is added. Now bottom side we have to add different color. I am adding yellow. I am adding yellow here. Okay. Now we given 4 different colors. For rendering purpose I am using KeyShot guys. I am just exporting the model to KeyShot. I have the plugins here, so I am exporting the KeyShot file from here. I am saving the file here and just save. Go to folder. Now I saved this file. I will open this KeyShot file. I opened the KeyShot file guys. Now I will add different colors. As you can see guys, here materials tab. So go to this materials tab and go to paint. I will add black here. I will add black also here. Then I will add white here. Here also I will add white. Now we can see our image and this, it is almost similar. Now we can add different white. So we can add white on top, black here, again white here, no, black here, again white on this face. As you can see guys, our model is over now. That's all guys for this video. I hope you guys learned this tutorial properly. If you like this tutorial, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all guys for this video. I will meet you with the new tricks in the coming video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye.